6 days of me locking in back to back. Saturday, 28th March 2026. It has been a very hard week for me, not gonna lie.
I just woke up this morning and this is day 1 of our 30 days hard. It's going to be an amazing day and I'm going to be documenting everything that's going to be happening today. To be honest, I don't really know what I got myself into because I'm just checking my itinerary for the day, and to be frank, it is just too long. Anyway, let's just see how it's going to go. And also in the next 30 days, I should be able to see quality biceps. I should be able to see my chest. 100.0 kg, and I believe strongly that I'm going to drop massively. Come with me as I go to the market, okay?
I had a couple of setbacks. Not as if I was not expecting it, because the rules were too strict.
The first major rule for the 30 days hard, making sure that I eat right.
Currently in the market, and I'm about to buy sweet potatoes, onion, pepper, and tomato. And I just made myself food. This is potato and egg. So the egg consists of just 4 main ingredients: tomato, pepper, onion, Maggi, seasoning. Yeah, that's it.
And I listed the food that I can eat, and those are carrot, potato, chicken breast. And the second thing I talked about again was make sure I go to the gym 4 times a week. So today, which is Monday, I'm going to be going to the gym, making sure that I lift weights, do all the necessary things I need to do, and make sure that it's worked out as planned.
Trust up well. 1, 12 reps.
And the fourth thing is going to be me walking.
So this is the one last activity for the day, which is my walk. Currently going for the walk, and I just 20 seconds in. So you can see 30 days hard. I wonder how my body is going to look like in the next 30 days. Remember, we started it with 100 kg, but I believe strongly that we are going to drop at least 3 kg and look better.
Another one is trading. So I'm going to stop at the trading part, and I'm going to be explaining what I want to do for my trading. Now, my trading comprises of 2 accounts. We have the broker account and the profit account. I paused my big account because of this challenge, and the reason why I paused this was because I want to show you guys how discipline can make a small account grow. So instead, I took $1,000 out of my major account and funded it to trade for this particular challenge. So the $1,000 is going to be shown to you guys when I fund it, and the 100k profit is going to be shown to you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be sharing my screen most of the time. So I'm going to be recording from as the camera is recording me, I'm going to also be recording here. So I'm going to be trading directly from the broker's website. I may only trade my prop manually, but the reason why I want to be trading directly from the broker website is so that I can detach myself from it, so that I'm not going to be, whenever I want to go and whenever I'm going out and I'm checking 5, no, I'm just going to do my analysis and let it play out. If it plays out, it plays out. If it doesn't play out, then that's also still very fine by me. Okay? So let's see how today goes.
I linked it all them to an app called TradeZilla. TradeZilla is actually an app that helps me to get a summary of what about happened, and I'm going to be showing you guys the 2 accounts. So for the first account, let's start with the bad news before we go to the good news. So for the first account, on Monday we had a BTC trade that actually went crazy, and because of that we were able to take our account from $1,000 to as high as $1,835 in profit.
So it's currently on $22 profit, so it's not major profit. The trade right here, if you guys can see my screen, the trade right here is a 1:8 trade. If it goes well, I should be able to get about because I entered two entry. I entered the high risk entry and a low risk entry. Now the high risk entry is an entry that is gotten from a smaller stop loss, while the low risk entry is one gotten from a normal stop loss. So it's currently on a loss, if I'm not mistaken. Just sit there. Yeah, so the high risk entry is going to give me about $2,000, 3,000 to $1,500 in profit if it goes well. While the low risk entry is going to give me about $600 if it goes well. Now, if the low risk entry goes well, right, and the high risk entry doesn't go well, then I'll be getting a total of $1,500. This is the analysis. Now on the daily time frame, that's where I started the analysis from. On the daily time frame, we can see clearly that price was actually coming from we had a head and shoulder pattern. Yes. You can see this is the left shoulder, right shoulder, and price started going up, right? And then on from there we now had price retrace back to come and touch our demand level. So I took a trade from this demand level, but I had to wait for confirmation. Now the confirmation I got from the demand level was on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, so on a 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that price failed to break below this zone here to show that it's about to go down. And remember, it's on the demand level. So from there, it started pushing. So I had to wait for a bullish market close, and without took the trade to the upside. So that's how I am on this trade right now. So if it goes well, I'm currently $71 up in profit.
But the second day we had crazy losses, so I went very massive. I went hard on gold, and unfortunately I lost over $900 on the second day on that account, which took the account to draw down. The third day we had another loss, fourth day another loss, and that's how we ended the week with $1,000 loss. Now, but that's just for the account. I made sure that I maintained all my normal risk management plan. The goal for this account was for me to reach high so that I can get to 5,000. Then from 5,000, I can now start scaling it up like massively, because $1,000 account is actually very small, like compared to how I trade. Okay, but nevertheless, I did the same thing on my prop. But on my prop, because the prop is $100,000, so obviously this cannot you can't have any issue. Now you can see here on the prop account we had 1 day of loss and 4 days of win. Now for the first day I risked just 1% to get 1% profit, and I made $1,000. The second day was the bad day, just like how we had the bad day on our normal account. We had a $3,000 loss, $3,000 plus 3.7% loss on the second day, which took our account to draw down. But the third day, we had just $382 in profit. Fourth day, $837 in profit. And last day, $1,400 in profit, which actually brought our account to break even. So the negative part was that we lost our $1,000 account, but the positive part is that we did the same system and we were still able to come out at break even for this week.
Now, so I'm about to go to the gym for day 2. I'll be able to send trades out and be able to make sure that I've not reached any rule for our challenge. So guys, this is day 2. You can see I'm so exhausted right now, but we have to do this.
Now, this week was not all good, but we had 4 positive trading days and 1 negative trading days. Next week, I'm going to be focusing on higher risk to reward so as to make sure that we're able to scale up this account.
Day 3 of our 30 days hard challenge. To be frank, it has been really hard. This is day 3 of me sticking to my rules. As at yesterday was fucked up a bit for me emotionally, in the sense that I made loss yesterday. It was crazy because our account was literally almost at 2,000, and because of the loss, it went back down. This is the trade I'm currently in, as you can see. This trade I'm currently in is currently over $500.
For the next part of this video, we're going to be adding more of lifestyles. We're going to be going out. We're going to be visiting friends. So it's going to be more packed compared to this particular video.
Yeah, so guys, I just cooked chicken soup. I don't even know what I cooked. I just know that I mixed everything together. I made this and air fried potato. So this is what I'm saying. Very good. Let me see. It's a very, very boring delicacy, actually.
The gym, like it was so hard for me to go to the gym, but guess what? I went to the gym 4 times this week. I did not miss any week.
In the last 24 hours, I was able to. Yesterday was my rest day, so I did not go to the gym. Yesterday, I was able to do other things I was supposed to do, but something bad happened. Bring it closer. Let me show them. Now, if you check my TradeZella, which I use to document my trades, you can see the first day we made a loss, a very huge loss. And yesterday I was thinking to come back from this loss. And guess what? BTC, as of yesterday, that was in massive profit, decided to go against us massively. So I'm going to show you BTC today. You can see, look at what happened on the chart. BTC just clamped all our entries. I was in this trade, 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 and everything smashed SL.
If you check in very closely, you can see the 4 marked points. So it's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I went to the gym back to back. So this is actually a proof to check in for me to go to the gym 4 times.
I'm getting ready to go to the gym, so that I can continue my 30-day challenge. The food is crazy. The food part is very crazy because I'm not able to eat quality food as expected. I don't know, people that eat potato, chicken breast, and carrots, and those guys are trying. Yeah,
I'm currently going to the gym, though the trading aspect is not going really well, but I'm going to the gym now and I'm making sure that I complete my other parts of the challenge. Anyway, I am certain that the worst thing that can happen is for me to blow the account, which I doubt I'll blow the account. And that's how we ended the week, with $1,000 loss. And I'll try as much as possible to maybe refund and continue the challenge. Yeah, so that's it. Sometimes the market just happens like that and the account is too small. Some people say $1,000 small. Actually, $1,000 is small, but nevertheless we are going to grow it. So just be active and see how discipline can actually take you so far. Follow my diet. I followed my diet, and yeah, I'm not going to be revealing my weight for now because obviously we started with 100 kg. I'm not focusing on dropping just the weight, because the more you go to the gym, the more muscle you add, and the more muscle you add, it's harder for you to lose weight because it's going to be fluctuating on the scale. So I don't want to be checking the scales every week because it's going to be so discouraging. I checked it this morning, but I'm not going to show you guys what it's saying. Though it's not high, but it's just, I'm not going to talk about it nevertheless. It is day 5 and I am so exhausted right now. I feel so tired, but nevertheless I'm still working out. The trade has not been going fine since 3 days now. I've been having ups and downs. For the prop firm, we are still very much active. But I still feel at the end of this 30 days challenge, you should see drastic change. You can see my hands are more toned. I feel good, I feel more lighter and I still feel more stronger. So that's a very, very good sign that I'm doing something very right. Another amazing thing I'm going to be talking about is that we're going to be adding some accounts to the account I'm trading. I don't know if I should review my big account to you guys. Maybe that will be the surprise at the end of this challenge. I might likely review a account I've been trading personally, a big account I've been trading personally for a long time. It's something sacred for me, but because that's where I take my money for my car, investment, housing projects, and the rest. But maybe at the end of the last episode of this particular 30 days hard way to do it. So my take home for this week is that it's not an easy challenge. If you don't have strength, don't try this challenge. But if you want to become successful, you can try this challenge. It's going to actually build you and build discipline. Next week, I'm going harder. I'm going to make sure that I tighten all the loose ends. You understand what I'm saying? So that's it, guys. I love you all, and watch this video. Please make sure you like this video, you subscribe, you follow me on all social media platforms. You have kingftp.fx, that's my X account, over 60,000 followers. We have kingftp.fx too on my Instagram. We are currently over 83,000 followers. We also have King FTP Forex, that's my Telegram channel. We are currently over 46,000 subscribers. So please make sure you follow. On my Facebook, you can also search for King FTP. Make sure you follow. These platforms are all organized for your sake, so that you can follow. I cannot do anything on my own, guys. If you follow me, it's going to make a lot of sense. It's going to make me grow. It's going to make me more consistent in what I'm doing. And I'm so certain that with you, I can become more consistent. So that's it, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.